Hey there, and welcome back to day 21 of our Strength and Grace Challenge. I am Candace. We are at the last practice, specifically for this week's theme of strength, and we're going to pair up strength with flexibility today. So finding that in between, building our fluidity, if you will. You'll see tag down at the bottom. Don't forget to check out that description for the live class coming at the end of the challenge. All the details are down below. Let's get started. So we're going to come right up to down dog. All right, get our bodies warmed up. Tuck the toes. Start to move the heels around. Beautiful. Inhale, lift up on your toes. Exhale and drop your heels over to the right. Inhale, come to center. Drop your heels over to the left. Beautiful. Inhale, come to center and move forward into an upper push-up. Drop the knees to the mat. Press back to child's pose. We're going to keep on moving. Inhale, come forward to upper push-up. Tuck your toes, down dog. Nice. We'll do one more round just like that, warming up the body, bending each knee, getting our body ready to practice. All right, inhale, come forward, upper push-up, knees to the floor, untuck the toes, press it back. Child's pose. Inhale, bring it up, hold your plank. Beautiful. Tuck the toes and lift up to down dog. Nicely done. Glide forward, drop your knees, coming to hands and knees. Hands and knees. Yep, slide the shirt down. Start to move the spine. Beautiful. Come to neutral. Take your right arm out and press down like you're pressing on an object, a table, and then weave your right arm underneath. Thread the needle. Walk your left hand forward. Strong toes holding you down. Softness in this upper rotation. Melting into the twist. Stay for 3, 2, 1. Come back to hands and knees. Tabletop. Tabletop. Move through cat-cow. Beautiful. Switch sides. So now we're bringing the left hand out to the side. Press down as if there's a table there. Action. Tops of the toes. They're sneaky. They want to come up. Keep them active and then weave down. Tucking under, your right hand goes forward. Drop down. You can always slip a blanket or a block under your head if that's not feeling very good on your neck. Strength of the lower body holding you. You can imagine a block between the legs. Staying strong in this lower body part as the upper is rotating. Beautiful. Come on back around. This time, sweep your feet around to the front of you. Take a big breath. Soften and relax the shoulders on an exhale. One more time. Inhale, purposefully bring the shoulders up. Exhale, round back and down. Drop the fingertips back behind you for stability. Press through the toes, press through the hands. This might be enough for you right here, or maybe you choose to lift the hips. Stay strong in the arms. If it feels okay in your neck, feel free to lift the chin. That's personal preference. Getting a nice stretch through the collarbones. Gently bring the chin back around, tuck it down. Start to bring the hips down slow and steady. Ah, nice. And then roll back down onto your back. Feel your back meet the floor as we come into a gentle, easeful motion. Swaying the knees a little side to side. Lengthen the spine, hug the knees in. Big breath in, knees extend away from the body, arm length. Exhale, hug in, give a squeeze. Inhale, lengthen the knees away. Can you hear the geese? Exhale, hug the knees in. Oh, it'd be nice to do outside practices soon. One more round. Exhale, bring the knees into the chest. Hold right here. Hold. Let your tailbone curl up a little with you. And then bring the nose up towards your knees. So slow and steady. Very intentional. Lengthen the spine. Beautiful, rocking a little side to side if you like. Release back down. This time, drop the knees open so the bottoms of the feet are connected here. Bottoms of the feet connect. The easeful choice is to simply allow your body to meet the floor, to let the floor carry you, hold you. The floor does the work. Take a couple breaths. And then joining hands at heart, we'll activate this by starting to press the bottoms of the feet together and the hands together at the same time. Press actively. Go ahead, squeeze your glutes. Try to stay soft through the neck. 3, 2, 1, and release into the floor. Stay right here. Let go of the energy. We're going to create more space for release, freedom in your body, building your mobility. Let's come around. We're going to do that again. Actively pressing the hands together and the feet together. Press. Go ahead, squeeze the glutes. Press through the palms. Hug the right side and left side of your body together very actively. Big breath in. And let go of your breath, let go of your effort. Nice. Start to stretch your legs out on the mat. Stretch them out. I have a lot of company today. Rebend the knees. Slowly start to bring the knees in towards the chest. Good. Stretch the left leg all the way out. Left leg stretches. Hug your right knee in. Good. Now drop your hands behind the right thigh as you lift up. Soft for starters. Start soft. Turn your toes in just a little bit so that your feet are a little bit more at that 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock space. A lot of times when our muscles are tight, our toes will rotate out a little bit more. For this purpose, try to keep them like that clock. Begin the engagement, hands to back of the leg. As you're reaching up, I just caught myself there. Soften the shoulders down into the floor. Let the legs do the work here. Soften the shoulders. Beautiful. Beautiful. We're holding. Reach through your left heel. Reach through your right heel. Bend your right knee and release to the floor. Bend both knees and sway. Rocking the head a little bit side to side. Do your best to keep that neck free from tension. Hug the left knee in this time. Right leg extends. Beautiful. When you're ready, drop your hands behind your left leg, setting up on the other side. Step on that ceiling. Step. Step on the ceiling. It's okay if you notice one side a little tighter than the other. And mind you, we're not pushing with all our might. We're noticing, stabilizing, activating, and creating space for the body to open, for the body to expand, to feel safe to let go of the brakes. Beautiful. Bend your knee. Bring it back down to the floor. Take both knees over to the right. Take your feet a little bit wider so you can stretch the front of your left thigh. Now move them over to the left. Feet wider to get a thigh stretch on the right. Beautiful. Coming all the way around. We're going to come up to seated. Actually, we're going to come up to seated on the knees, to be more specific. I've got one more for you. That felt good, didn't it? One more for you. We'll use just the upper body for this part. Open up the arms nice and wide. Take the right arm, cross it under the left, and come to hugging your shoulders. Give yourself a nice hug. Nice hug here. Either closing the eyes or finding one spot on the floor to give your attention to. Keep it there, even with road noise, even with puppies barking. That's life, right? Life has noise. Give yourself this practice to train your mind to stay right there. Focus, soft breath, and release. Nice job. Shake it out. Shake the arms out, roll the shoulders. We're going to come into this on the other side, left under the right this time. Give yourself a nice hug. Release your arms, shake it out. Wow, we have just completed our third full week in the challenge. We've got one more week to go, plus a few extra days in there, but 10 more days to go. Thank you so much for showing up, for you, for your family, for your close loved ones. You make a huge difference in this world when you continue to show up. Have a great, great rest of your day. Namaste.